Now, artificial intelligence and robotics are growing explosively. The monitoring, auditing the AI, LLM, robotics are scarce. The policies are not yet ready. The video is a fun, exaggerated exploration of what it might look if ever robots replace humans in far future. The video explores scenes from future shopping malls, where the shop owners and shop purchasers are robots. How if they shop for bonsai-sized humans and dinosaurs for their home collection or as pets? The video is not meant for spreading fear, however intended for fun. A fun depiction after effects of uncontrolled growth of AI and robotics, which can cause as an unpredicted future challenge. Hope our governments and policymakers will assess the gravity of risk posed by the uncontrolled AI, robotic growth. We'll discuss, brainstorm to make proper policies, check measures, to ensure proper protective measures for the safety of Earth's own human, plant, animal, and environment protection.